Can you hear the thunder? There's a thunderstorm brewing. Long, long peals of thunder. They were a bit closer earlier. Did you hear that one? Charlie's all excited. We're going down to the bridge. The rain's just starting. Hang on, I'll pause you till we get there. Big flash of lightning just then. There it goes. Nice and loud. And I've just been fiddling down here, moving some rocks around, building up at the front of the... Where you going, Charlie? I'll go here. The front of the wall. So to slow the water down just a tad and to put a little ledge to sit on. And then the thunder came along and here is the rain. Made a bit of a mess, as in muddied up the creek, but it's all pretty good because the rain will come and then in the morning it'll just be clear. Alright, that's it.